guys, I'm making a bike check. Sorry about the sound. This camera doesn't pick up sound really easily, so I'm gonna start now. Okay. I'm gonna start up front with I got the BFR sunrim connected to the bulletproof hub. I don't know what kind of spokes they are. I don't know what hubcaps is either. Okay, the GT tire in the front. The Sunday forks matching my frame. Sunday second wave. Odyssey monolever. Odyssey team grips. Odyssey brake cable line thing. I don't know what kind of bars. I'm getting the Aaron Ross space bars. I'm saving up for them. I got the other Odyssey cable right here. I don't know what kind of tie that is. Who cares? Odyssey twisted pedals in black. Pretty sweet stuff. I don't know what cranks they are. They came off my General Lee frame right there. KMC chain in green. Mosh. Sprocket. I don't know what kind of seat that is. I think it says like UGP on it. Something. I got a bunch of stickers on here. I got the Black Sleep Alienation rim. Those are pretty sweet. I got the Maxxis tire in the back. Right here. And what kind of hub is this? It's like a quad I've never heard of it before. So I got the rim. I got it for my birthday. Oh yeah. Stem is a Specialized stem. Pretty cool. I love it. It's not front loader though. It's really heavy, but I don't care. Okay, see, it says like UGP right there. The eyeball. It's pretty sweet. It's not pivotal though. I'm saving up for one. Pivotal. And the Aaron Ross grips. So, that's my bike check, I guess. I guess this is what I rode the bike with. Well, that's my bike check. Bye.